Hey guys, hello, I'm back. I went to cut my hair again. Oh my god, Wakanda forever, why not? Anyways, thank you so much. I am Katia Valino. If this is your first time, please consider hitting the red button that says subscribe. We have fun in this channel. We laugh, we smile, we make jokes. No insults whatsoever is allowed on this channel. Thank you so much. So if you are new, if you have been following my videos, sometime this year I made a video about the nuts called tiger nuts, T-I-G-E-R, tiger nuts. How that nut will help you to increase your LI. You know what I'm talking about. Help you to increase your little boy. I have to be careful the words I use because every now and then YouTube comes up with one reason or the other to demonetize your videos and stuff like that, right? So you know what I'm talking about. If you want to be the king in bed, if you want to be the king in B-E-D, in bed, right? This will be for you. If you feel like, you know what, you lose your self-confidence because your little man takes a lot of time to get up, this video will be for you. So it took me like 6 months to do an extensive research because I have over 100 emails. The video I am talking about have 2-point-something million viewers. I don't remember how many views. People are looking for the nuts that I talked about. So in this part of the world, in the West, I did a research and I found you something that would take the place of tiger nuts, since we only have tiger nuts in Africa. So we will be talking about fenugreek. Fenugreek. Yes, fenugreek has lots and lots of benefits, but today I am focusing on only one thing, and then later on in other videos we can talk about the other benefits. But today I will tell you how you can wake up your little man with fenugreek. Really, this is what fenugreek seeds. This is really what fenugreek seeds look like. This is in the Middle East, Asia, and then you can also find it in Africa. I'm not sure if we have it in Africa, but most amazingly it's in India. You can find this from any grocery store here or any Indian grocery store. Fenugreek seed contains more than 100 components of phytochemicals. They will help to work up the blood circulation around your little man. It's said to contain cerebral spinosis, which is responsible for blood circulation around your little man. That's what it looks like. There are so many amazing ways you can consume fenugreek. Fenugreek is also excellent for weight loss. So if you're looking to lose weight, just do this fenugreek the way I'm going to tell you right now. But I am focusing mostly on men who are looking for things to wake up their little man. Fenugreek, usually you soak it in water. This is the soaked one, but it's better for you to soak it in water overnight because the seeds are very strong, they're very hard. So if you soak them overnight, in the morning they will become soft and then you can eat them raw on empty stomach. Whether you are looking to wake up that little man that is sleeping, this is one way you can eat it. So when you soak it in the morning, you sieve out the water. You can drink the water from the fenugreek and you will also consume the seeds. Just eat them like that. They become very soft in the morning when you soak them overnight. Another way to eat fenugreek is to make it into a tea. Take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, put it into a cup, just like you do your regular tea. Your fenugreek tea is all ready. It's best when you drink this tea on empty stomach. Whether you are looking to lose weight or looking to wake up the little man down there, drink your fenugreek tea, recommended in empty stomach, most especially in the morning, so that you have a longer hour for that to work to do the job. If you're looking to lose the weight, if you take it in the morning, it is going to suppress your appetite and you will not eat more. So go ahead and enjoy your awesome fenugreek tea. Bye. See you guys. Love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Love you guys. Bye bye.